Friends, India has finally made that historic moment happen, the one the whole world has been waiting for years. India has made such a mark at the United Nations General Assembly in New York that more than 146 countries around the world can't stop praising India. This isn't just a story about a vote or a bill passing. This is the biggest chapter in India's global history, and it's going to completely change the balance of world politics and power in the future. Just imagine when 146 countries out of 193 in the whole world stood with India. What must the atmosphere have been like? Everywhere, all you could hear was talk of the Indian flag, the strength of India's diplomacy, and the echo of Indian leadership. And this time, the most surprising thing was that the very countries that always opposed India were seen voting in favor of India. But friends, the real power of this news isn't just limited to the voting. The real game began when India's Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar and India's representatives gave speeches from the stage. They not only talked about India's needs and strengths, but also said that India is not just for itself, but the voice of Africa, Asia, and developing countries. India is the democratic power that can maintain balance in the world. That's why everyone, from the European Union to Australia, and from Africa to South America, stood with India. Now let's talk about the countries that dared to oppose India. Countries like Turkey and Saudi Arabia openly opposed India. But this time, their voice was so weak that no one even listened. Turkey's representative was so angry that he tore up the copy of the bill supporting India and banged on the table to show his protest. But the result was that the whole world made fun of Turkey. The representatives at the UN meeting saw how flustered Turkey had become. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia, which had recently made several statements against India, also turned red that day when 146 countries applauded in support of India. Now just imagine if a country like China, which always put obstacles in India's path, had voted in favor of India this time. How much the world's equations would have changed. Yes, friends, this is true. For the first time, China voted in favor of India getting a permanent seat in the United Nations. And this was the biggest surprise in itself. China stated that India is the voice of Asia and that the United Nations is incomplete without India. This was the moment that changed history. Now let's tell you what this victory means. If India gets a permanent seat in the United Nations, it will not just be a victory for India, but for billions of Indians. This means that India will now be able to use its veto power in any major global decision. This means that like America, Russia, Britain, France, and China, India will now be among those countries that can change the course of world politics. And this was India's dream, which we had been waiting for decades. Friends, with this victory, India has not only strengthened its grip in the United Nations, but has also given a strong answer to those countries that always tried to belittle India, especially Saudi Arabia and Turkey. Recently, the presence of India's warship INS Trikand in the Mediterranean Sea scared Turkey so much that it tried to threaten India. But India called this act a violation of international rules and took the matter directly to the UN, and as a result, Turkey had to face embarrassment in front of the whole world. Now let's talk about America. America had already given its support to India. Yes, this is the same America that tried to wage a tariff war against India some time ago. But when it saw that India's power was growing on all fronts, America also stood in support of India. Russia was already India's biggest ally. France and Britain were also with India. This means that none of the 5 major permanent member countries are now against India. And this directly means that India's permanent membership is almost confirmed. Friends, the impact of this victory will not be limited to politics alone. It will also directly affect the global economy. Now India will be able to set its own terms in decisions related to oil, gas, and trade. This is the biggest blow, especially for countries like Saudi Arabia. The bill that India recently passed against Saudi Arabia demanded its ban. That bill was supported by 128 countries. If this bill is fully implemented, Saudi Arabia's economy will crumble. And now that India is close to veto power, it will be able to push such bills forward quickly. Here's another important point. This victory for India is historic not only for South Asia, but also for the entire African continent. Because the 53 African countries that supported India are now hoping that India will become their voice. Not only that, but Southeast Asian countries like Myanmar, Indonesia, Vietnam and Malaysia also believe that India is their biggest friend. Friends, right now, the echo of India's victory is all over the world. India wins US is trending on social media. Indian people, whether in the country or abroad, everyone is celebrating this victory. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi also tweeted on this occasion, saying that this victory is a victory for 140 crore people of India. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar said that this is not just a diplomatic victory but the identity of a new India. Now the most important question is, what happens next? So let me tell you that this bill will now go directly to the 5 permanent member countries. There will be a closed room vote, and if the bill passes there too, India will officially become a permanent member of the United Nations. This means India will now join the ranks of countries that have the power to change the world's destiny. But friends, Turkey and Saudi Arabia are the most flustered by this victory. Because if India becomes a permanent member, India's grip on these two countries will become even stronger. Turkey's situation is already so bad that it is pulling its warships back from the Mediterranean Sea. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia is afraid that the whole world might ban it under India's leadership. With this victory, India has proven that if the intention is strong and diplomacy is precise, no power can stop India. Countries that have tried to stop India for decades are now bowing before India. A country like China, which always opposed India, is now praising India. This is India's true strength. Now let's talk about India's global position and its impact. This victory of India is not only political, but also economic and will play a big role in the strategic field as well. Now India will be able to express its views in any global decision and use its veto power to strengthen its hold in world politics. Especially in oil, gas, trade and international agreements, India will be able to set its terms. This will also strengthen India's hold on Saudi Arabia and other oil-rich countries. This veto power is not just a diplomatic strength, but a step that will take India's global role to new heights. This victory is also historic for the countries of Africa and Southeast Asia. Now they will consider India their voice. 53 African countries supported India, and Southeast Asian countries like Myanmar, Indonesia, Vietnam and Malaysia also consider India their biggest friend. India wins US is trending on social media. Everyone, both at home and abroad, is celebrating this historic victory. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that this is a victory for 140 crore people of India. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar called it the identity of a new India. India has shown the world that taking India lightly is now dangerous for any country. This victory is not just about diplomacy, but the victory of the hard work, trust and dreams of 140 crore Indians. The coming time will bear witness that India is no longer just a leader of South Asia, but is on its way to becoming a superpower leading the entire world. Jai Hind.